First of all, I'd like to thank Cable 10 for coming by and helping us celebrate the opening of our new Lakeview Credit Union building. The history of the Lakeview Credit Union, I guess, and what got us here today started in about 1943 or 44 when Mr. Gunnar Mortensen, one of the founders of the Lakeview Credit Union, got the move and the push started to start an organization that was a member-driven organization. They'd heard about some credit union systems in different areas, and so it was Mr. Mortensen that walked the Peace River area, Dawson Creek area, getting the Lakeview Credit Union started. The original 12 charter members started in 1943. I'm afraid I don't have all of the names, but Mr. Mortensen, Ben Miller, Mr. Krull, Mr. and Mrs. Stevenson, Mrs. Galata. Some of the original 12 founding charter members were the ones that got us started. The credit union began originally with opening one day a week. Mr. Mortensen was the secretary, treasurer, as well as the manager. He was open for business one day a week. They had a small building or a small office in the Dawson Creek Co-op at that time, and started to, I guess, operate on a full-time basis after about 6 or 8 months of operation. They then moved into, in 1954, the board at that time constructed the previous facility that we have been in as the Lakeview Credit Union, and we occupied that facility until today. We couldn't be happier with the new facility that we've got, and today we have tried to plan and organize the facility to operate for the services that we provide to our members. The area immediately behind me are the teller stations. We have about 10 or 11 teller stations. It seems that the prime reason that most people choose to deal with the Lakeview Credit Union is that personal level of service they feel we provide to them. And as we went through the planning for this facility, it was one of the things that we were very focused on was we wanted to ensure that we continued that personal level of service that we provide to our members. We wanted to separate the traffic flow as well from the daily service to our members through the tellers, and provide some, I guess, some additional privacy and move the loans services, mortgage services, member services for RSP, term deposits, new accounts, things like that, away from the day-to-day traffic of our tellers. We have downstairs that provides more than enough room for us for our storage and all of that additional room that we need for the storage, as I say. Upstairs we've got our boardroom, staff room, a staff activity room. Plus we were concerned about the changing in the business of the financial services. We didn't want to be in a position in 5 or 10 years from the board's perspective that we may outgrow the current facility. So we added some space upstairs for some additional expansion. We feel that this building, this facility for the membership of the Lakeview Credit Union is going to provide all of the needs of our members for the next hopefully 50 years, and we just couldn't be happier with the result. I guess the main reason, or the primary reason, that the Lakeview Credit Union has been able to get to this facility today is really through the strong support that we've received from the members of the Lakeview Credit Union, and I guess the comment I've heard from people is, to me specifically, is, boy, you really have a terrific building there. And my response is, it's not my building, it's not the board's building, but it's the members' building of the Lakeview Credit Union. They're the ones who own this facility. It's their facility, it's not anyone else's. We all are part of that ownership of the membership of the Lakeview Credit Union. We've gotten to an organization today of about $92 million in assets. That's through the continued strong support of the membership. We've built this building and at the same time continued to provide the dividends, the patronage dividends, the share dividends back to our membership, because it's through their efforts and through their commitment to the Lakeview Credit Union that has continued to allow us to grow and prosper as an organization. And so it's with a lot of pride today that, from the perspective of the president of the board of directors, that I see the members of the credit union coming and helping us celebrate the official opening of their building, and it is their building, and hopefully it'll be here for another 50 years to provide that service to them. Finally, I guess I'd like to take the opportunity to not only thank the membership, but also the board of directors, the current board who have helped get us here today. Pamela Fritsch, Al Modishaw, Larry Loroff, Dwayne Cleese, Joe Bodner, all have given a huge amount of their time in volunteering to serve on the board of the Lakeview Credit Union. It's with this dedication and commitment to the organization that also it works hand in hand with the membership, and we're all members, and we're all, I think, participating in this from the same perspective, and that's seeing if we can't in some way contribute to the citizens of the city of Dawson Creek.